Hello friends, welcome back, and here you are learning in Pramesh Notes. In this video we are going to learn organogenesis. So first, it is really very necessary to know what is organogenesis. My dear friends, it is simply the formation of different types of organ from three main germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. On the basis of organ to be formed, we will learn organogeny in four main steps. These are neurulation, notogenesis, somatogenesis, that we also call as mesodermal somites formation, and then finally coelom formation. So like it's thought, why to wait, right? Let's go directly to the first step, neurulation. The process neurulation is simply the formation of neural tube or nerve cord. The entire nervous system is possible only through neurulation, and all the things regarding the system is ectodermal in origin. Now let's learn rest of the details through the figures. In order to form brain and spinal cord after gastrulation stage, mid-dorsal cells of the ectoderm in animal pole thicken and enlarge to form pear-shaped elongated plate-like structure, which we call as neural plate. This gradually invaginate to form neural groove, and lateral marginal cells become thicker to form neural folds. And then two ends of neural folds meet together to form neural tube, and the cavity is known as neurocoil. The neurocoil opens anteriorly to connect with exterior by neuropore and connect posteriorly with archenteron cavity by neurotheoric canal. And these things just separate, an anterior part of neural tube develops into brain and posterior part give rise to spinal cord. This arises autonomic nervous system as well as cranial and spinal nerves. So in notogenesis process, notochord is formed from mesoderm of the embryo. In this process, mesoderm when separated from endomesodermal develops to form cylinder rod-like notochord, founded by notochordal sheath. It is rigid inside, much fibers and elastic outside. In somatogenesis or mesodermal somites, mast cells called mesomere or nephrostome are formed. The mesodermal sheaths, which are margins of blastopore on either side of notochord, is divided into three distinct zones. The most dorsal and thicker zone, close to notochord, is called epimere. The lateral and thinner zone called hypomere. The intermediate mass of cell is called mesomere or nephrostome. In future, it will cover spinal cord and nervous system. Let's learn about formation of coelom. So, coelom is the body cavity found between alimentary canal and the body wall developed from mesoderm. Although its formation begins simultaneously during organogeny, it can be described one after another. The lateral mesodermal plate splits vertically downward so that the mesoderm divides into two layers, that is outer somatic or parietal, or inner visceral or splenic layer. Somatic layers remain attached to the body wall, whereas the visceral layers connect with the alimentary canal. Between these layers, a small cavity appears called splangocoel that increases due to splitting of mesoderm below the gut. It is known as schizocoel. In course of development, a small cavity appears in mesodermal somites called myocoel, and these somites differentiate into dermatome, myotome, and sclerotome. The dermatome develops into skin, myotome develops into body muscles, sclerotome develops into skeleton or vertebrae of the adults. After this development and lot of changes, the new structure of embryo is called fetus. Further development in case of human happen inside the mother's womb, and in case of frog, the tadpole converts into frog by different level of development that we call as metamorphosis. This metamorphosis is stimulated by thyroxine hormone secreted by thyroid gland. So my dear friends, I have really good news for you. Do you wanna hear? Okay, then the news is that our series lecture of developmental biology that we learned as embryology in sexual reproductions in animals is finished here. So thank you so much to all the people and students and my dear friends who supported till here by watching my videos and learning from Pramesh Notes, and see you again with the next video with a new topic that you will suggest in comment section. Thank you for watching.